My name is Regina Šírová. I am radiologist, and during last years I have specialized in breast imaging, screening and diagnostics. The main goal of working here in Medicon is our multidisciplinary approach to these problematics, which means that on daily basis we closely work together with our oncologists, surgeons, pathologists, also physiotherapists and psychologists. Our 4 screening and diagnostic centers are among the best workplaces in the Czech Republic, and they meet European level of allied centers. I started my career at the Charles University Hospital in Prague in the Clinic of Radiology. On last USOBI conference, I was introduced to Coronis OneLook workstation, and to be honest, I was from the first moment amazed. The quality of the display, which is brighter, helps extremely in detecting in these very tiny abnormal findings. The functionality, which is called rapid frame, helps us to overview tomosynthetic views in very quickly way. Because if we scroll through individual layers, we don't see much blur, but we see individual layers quite sharp. The touch bar, which is located at the bottom of Coronis OneLook display, is very easy to operate. It shows us already that it's very quickly to use just your finger, and we can adjust the image to our needs. We have it actually already in the name of this display, OneLook, which means that we just really look and we see. Thanks to the brightness, thanks to the size of this display. Such a high quality display makes our job very enjoyable, and my work definitely will be more effective and quicker.